Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll present how you can use our free version Plex Earth Lite in order to view any imagery imported with a full version of Plex Earth from any computer even without a subscription. Please remember that Plex Earth Lite is required only if the user hasn't saved the imported Plex Earth images locally to a computer. In these cases, either the user prefers to retrieve the images from our servers for smaller file sizes, or the terms of use of an imagery provider might not support local storage of their content. Let's see that in more detail. First, we will import high-quality imagery with a full version of Plex Earth 5D. After importing the georeferenced aerial or satellite imagery into the CAD workspace, we can save our drawing. Now, let's suppose that we are on a computer that doesn't have Plex Earth 5D and we haven't saved the imported imagery locally as an external file. In that case, all we have to do is open the drawing that we previously saved on our computer and then start Plex Earth Lite. And here you have it. The imagery automatically is imported into our drawing. Plex Earth Lite can help you to have instant access to high-quality and up-to-date imagery imports made with the full version of Plex Earth. If you need additional information, feel free to send us an email at support@plexscape.com, and our customer support team will always be glad to help. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.